Are you ready to take the plunge, splash out, and jump in at the deep end? Hi, I'm Dominic, and I know all about keeping cool at the pool. Hi, I'm Dominic, and I know all about keeping cool at the pool. First up, put your stuff in a locker so it doesn't get lost, or worse still, stolen. And it's always a good idea to go to the loo before you get in the pool. Always walk near a swimming pool. Running, pushing people, and dunking other swimmers can be really dangerous. Always check how deep the water is before you jump or dive in. Oh man! Hey man, are you alright? Put your hand up, that's the help signal. That's it! It's great to have a buddy to go swimming with. When you're swimming or getting changed, stay with a friend or group. Swimming was awesome. Now here's a few things to remember for next time. Put all your stuff in a locker. Visit the loo before hitting the pool. Always walk. Check how deep the water is. If you need help in the pool, hold your arm up high above your head and hang out with friends. Don't go anywhere with somebody you don't know. This is Dominic reporting for Sticky TV. No, this is Dominic reporting for Sticky TV. I am. No, I am. I'm reporting. No, I'm reporting.